Hi, my name is Josefa and I'm from the support team of Tradetron.tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how do you connect your Kotak Securities account with Tradetron to conduct algo trades. Connecting any broker account is quite straightforward. Um, you first need to go through a manual that we have shared. So in order to access the manual, you can go to Partners, and after clicking on partners, all our broker partners should appear. So click on the setup instructions for Kotak Securities. After clicking on the setup instructions, you will see two links that appear. So one is for Kotak Securities. So this link should be quite familiar to you. This is your normal login page onto the Kotak Securities portal. There is another link that we have shared, which is for the developer portal. So for the API development. So in order to link Tradetron, you need to go to this website that they have made. After going to this website, you will see on the top right corner, there's something called sign in. So just click on sign in, and you can put in your details, your account details, and click on continue. So one thing to note out here is that the Kotak account details for Kotak API, it may or may not be the same as the one you have used here. You'll have to connect with Kotak support in order to check what are your account details to log in. So once you have logged in, you will see something called applications. So just click on applications. In applications, ideally you'll find this entire thing empty, but since I've already built an application before, it is showing up here. So in order to show you, I'll click on add new application, and in application name, I'll call it Tradetron 1. And for token quota, you should set it to unlimited, and the token type will be reference, and app description can be left empty. It doesn't make a difference. And click on save. After you click on save, you'll get a message saying app created successfully. And after that, something like this should appear. Um, Once you do this, you will see that production keys and sandbox keys are all empty. So what you need to do is go to OAuth 2 tokens out here on the left hand side. So you click on this, and you will see something called generate keys. So I click on generate keys. So while you are on OAuth 2 tokens, you also need to change this validity period out here from 3600 to -2. In order to do that, just go here to generate access token and change this number from 3600 to -2 and click on generate. And this will generate your access token, and you can close this and then click on update. Click on generate key. So now you will see that all your keys for the consumer key and the access token and the consumer secret key, all three keys have been generated for you. You can now go to overview again, and now you can see your consumer key and the secret key have been populated out here. So you now need to switch and go to the Tradetron website. So I'll go back to the Tradetron website. Out here, I will go to my name and select brokers and exchanges. Now out here, I will select add broker, and in my broker, I'll look for Kotak. So out here, after clicking on Kotak, you'll see something like this to appear. Um, you need to fill in your user ID, password, consumer key, and access token. So make sure that the user ID and the password that you share out here are of the Kotak Securities uh, trading website page and not of the API manager page. So in some cases, they both are the same. In some cases, they are not. So you need to use this Kotak Securities login and password. So I'll just quickly put in my login and password. For consumer key, you need to go back to the API manager page. So you see consumer key, simply copy it. After copying it, you need to just paste it here. And for access token, you need to go back to the OAuth 2 tokens. And here you'll see access token. Just copy this access token, paste it here, and click on save. After doing this, you've virtually completed the setup for Kotak Securities. Um, However, you yet need to test it before going live. So a simple way to test it is you open a new tab and search for this URL, which is itc.tradetron.tech. So click on this URL and a strategy will appear. So this strategy will basically buy one share of ITC and sell it after 1 minute. So I'll duplicate this strategy and now I'll go to my strategies. In my strategies, you'll find your ITC strategy. So simply click on deploy. In execution type, I'll select live auto, and in my broker, I'll select Kotak Securities and click on deploy. So after it has successfully been deployed, go to the deployed page and you see my deployment is here. So ideally within 1 minute of deploying the strategy, it should take a trade and it should buy one share of ITC and square it off after a minute. If it does that much, then you're good to go and you can deploy your strategies live. Currently, this is not going to work for me because it's a Sunday and markets are closed today. So if you as I said, you can have a look at our detailed documents which are available on the broker integration, and we have we have shared this on our website. So if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, feel free to email us at support@tradetron.tech, and we will be more than happy to help you. I hope this helped. Thank you.